All right. Doing this later than I planned. Let's start the timer. I gotta go somewhere, but let's squeeze this in. All right, so we got 45 minutes. Yesterday was super rough, right? Um, like very much not enjoying this, but I think it's a nice opportunity, right? Let's see if I can get the project requirements from ChatGPT. Let's spend like 5 to 10 minutes doing that. Could be interesting, right? And if we can't make that work, then I think we should just do it. Otherwise, like, I'm not gonna finish this. I'm like, yesterday I spent 45 minutes guessing. I could not figure it out. Waste of time. So let's either have an interesting experience with ChatGPT, or let's sit down and just write it down. And we can even leave a comment for the next person to come along so it doesn't happen to them. All right, good enough for me. Let's see what we can do here. Here, let's really lean into this here. Oops. I am building the game Minesweeper from scratch. Before I start, I would like to get a list of requirements for each position on the board. Can you help me with this? I am not super familiar with all the edge cases. Like, this is probably what I would say to a PM, right? Okay, so sure, building Minesweeper involves accounting for different scenarios based on the position. What is this? Oh. Okay. Breakdown of requirements and edge cases to consider. General requirements for any cell. Each cell should have 3 possible states: hidden, the default state when the game starts; revealed when the player clicks on the cell; flagged when the player marks it as containing a mine. Content. Each cell should contain a mine, display a number, and be empty, showing no number if no adjacent mines are present. So empty by default. If it's not flagged, if it's revealed, not flagged, and doesn't have a number, then it should be empty. Corners. Each corner cell has 3 adjacent cells. Special considerations. This is great. This is great. What should happen on the first move? This is great. What should happen? It doesn't lose immediately. Here's what should happen. Guarantee no mine. Ensure revealed area. The first click should reveal at least 1 empty cell with no adjacent mines, and ideally a small safe zone around it. This means cells adjacent to the click cell should not contain mines either. I did that. If the cell is already empty and surrounded by empty cells, trigger a cascade reveal. Cool, did that. Flood fill algorithm, nice. To uncover an area until numbered cells are reached. Yeah, okay. Mines, flags, and normal gameplay mechanics should function as normal. What should happen if the player places mines before ever their first free move. This is like pretty gnarly. It like really, I feel like it knows what I'm talking about, you know? Sure, the first move still applies. No minus click, the safe zone. Handle flags, allow players to place and remove flags freely before their first move. Flags do not affect mine placement or game logic at this stage. If the flag cell happen to overlap with where the game later ensures a safe zone, the flag cell remain flagged, but they are treated as non-mines until normal gameplay begins. So most of this stuff I worked out. Let's see now. So it's a problem. I don't remember what I did. I feel like I was placing, I did this. Let's just look real quick. Can't click on a number or flagged. So right now, what happens? I feel like that didn't help me that much, right? Let's go back and look at that state. I did figure that part out, right? Hidden, revealed, flagged. Oh, I see. Hidden, revealed is visible, right? And I have is flagged. So this looks right. That also looks right. What am I missing here? Let's see. One other way I could probably do this. These guys have 54 tests. Should I do this? Maybe not. Let's think. Set, unset mine marks, or claim a cell as free. Like, I need to test the interaction. I don't know what's going on. Like, I don't know what the problem is here. Let's see. Like, the feedback here is no good. 3, 7, free. I don't understand. Oh, we flagged it. 1, 9. Mine. That's here. So then 3, 7, free. We show. Oh, so it's showing an X when it shouldn't be. Okay. Let's just. Why did it show the X? Oh, that's here. It's under mark hidden, mark safe, right? And now I'm doing diagonals. So I passed one in. I think it's this one. This is why. Oh, no, I want this. Three. No, it's 3, 6. So we probably went through, marked. No, this is the diagonal. How did we get here? Why is it changing that? Fuck. There was something else I did yesterday where I wrote a loop that just went over. Here. I did this. I bet you that's why. Which means the other one might not have been an issue. I think I just got lucky. If I run this again, I think it's gonna fail. There's no way, dude. What? One more time. guess all I had to do, okay, I had to do two things mainly. Wish I had versions of this, but it was looking at corners is one thing, and then I added this cell.isMine. Huh. And now it works. I'm a little bummed. I'm gonna take the W. That was a little. I thought today was gonna be a little different, but all right, fine. I guess we can start a new project. Right, I ran it 4 times. It must not have been locked by the end. Here, let's see. I got 25 minutes. Maybe we try and clean it up. Like, a lot of this stuff is pretty bad, in my opinion. This could probably do fun. Get field print value, and this is like all it takes is a cell. And something like this. Pull this out, put this here. All of this needs, oops, fuck. What? Oh. And we could still make this a little bit better, but we'll do that in a second. Let's do, I wonder too, can I do, like, instead of all of this? Oh no, I need to call it myself. Now this is get cell with lines. Okay. It's a little bit nicer. Now this is no good. Oh, interesting. That's cool. So I think it's like case, when, where. I forgot the syntax. It's like, I would say, I don't know if I can do that though with an object, or if it needs to be a primitive. How can I? Let's ask ChatGPT. Can yeah, when it is when. I knew that. So it would be this. Let's check it. If, when, and then when cell.isMine. Okay, so it literally just took my if statement and made it a when statement. Cool. Alright, well I said I could clean that up and I did. These can go away. Lay mines. So I'm using a hash map, but because each cell has X and Y in it, I don't think I need to. And even beyond that, I'm creating a cell, but then I don't use that cell. What I'm actually doing, so I don't need any of this. What I need is the collision, right? We're preventing duplicates. Okay. So, How did this work? Where did this go? If is valid mine position, reserved X. What did I do here? Oh yeah, to reserve the space around it. Maybe this isn't so bad. This part is pretty bad. Mines.key equals cell. But this can just be a pair, right? We could simplify this just a little bit. I think this is what I had originally. And now this becomes x comma y. And then cell can go away here. What happened? Oh. Oh, I'm already tearing this down. So then val x comma y. That's not that big of a deal. And then we could probably do vals. Is this any better? I don't know. This is probably overall better. I don't know. We at least got rid of the unnecessary stuff in there, and then so I don't like this here because I say lay mines, but then I'm marking safe. You know what I mean? So let's also we lay mines here. So what I need to do here is mark safe x comma y, and I think it's field xy, and then up here let's get rid of this. All right, let's try that. That cleans up that function a little bit better. Okay, and we're still working. Let's run it one more time just to be sure. Okay. Oh, you know what would be super interesting? If I could have random fields, but you add a seed so that you can reproduce the field and test it. And that's something that's interesting. And that would be in generate field, right? No, this is nothing, right? This is like we're just creating cells and placing them. I don't even need to do this, right? I can just have it be false, get rid of this, and then do this. In fact, let's even ask here, let's ask ChatGPT, how class definition of, what's best practice here? Oh. So make everything just a property. Oh, put it all in here. Got it? Okay. Wow, today feels so much better than yesterday. Comma, do this, do this. Oh, and then did I not read that right? Close this a little, close this a little. Data. What is use data class? A data class in Kotlin is ideal for simple objects like cell because it automatically provides implementations for equals, cache code, toString, and copy. Okay, that's cool. Default values property. Oh, you have to. Cool. This is much better. I don't want this. That's too far. Okay. Let's check it, right? Make sure everything is working. What did I just say? Oh, okay, let's also ask about this. Okay, last one to do for me. What about this? I don't know if that's better, to be honest. You can have a list. Is what I have any better? Maybe it is. Maybe what you do. Oh, I see what it did. That's cool. It literally, this is left, that is, okay. That's kind of nice. Okay. Okay. You got me there. So let's get rid of this. I like this a lot, actually. I don't know if you can do this in JavaScript and stuff, but this is a pretty decent. Well, use let. I didn't see this. Oh, because what did I have to begin with? Does not equal null. Then field.xy. I gotcha. so that you can kind of one line this. I forgot about .let. Okay. Yeah. I'm bummed that you waited till today to have this idea. So maybe the seed should be in mines. Let's see if it still works, right? Lay mines. Oh, it has to be a long. Oh, but it would need to be passed in, right? I would need some math function. I mean, maybe I can just do end my, so okay, so you do okay, so if you only used n mines, then the board for, let's say, 9 mines would always be the same. But if I times it by a random number in 1 to 100, then there would be 100 times n mines possible. No, it would be that number. If I always chose 9, if 9 was set in stone, then it would be 100 possible boards. But if I chose 1,000 or 1,000,000, then there would be 1,000,000 possible boards. Let's go with 100 for now. So let's do, let's see, random. Next int 0, 100, val, seed. What are the inputs? Input multiplication problem called, again, factor. Seed factor equals, why isn't random working? What do I have here? Oh, I don't have random here. Oh. Maybe I'm doing this, thinking about this backwards. There it is. Now, I wonder if this will break it though. Can't do that. Oh, it still worked. So if I run this now, see 23. Okay, so now, hold on. What I should be able to do, right, is let's copy. How did I do this? Save. Okay. What? Oh. Didn't I? Oh, that's environment variables. I need it here. Oh, I need to go too. Fuck. Let's just see if this works. Oh, fuck. 9. Oh. What? I don't understand. I gotta go. Okay. Decent time today.